7-second pitches. This electronic pitching machine for kids is a great way to encourage them to practice their batting skills. The ball pitches every 7 seconds for improved accuracy and precision on the field. Assembled height 7.75 by 9.5 x 9.875 inches. Flashing indicator. A flashing red indicator light shows when the ball pitches, making it easy to prepare in your baseball stance. You get all the fun of a batting cage right in the comfort of your own backyard. Height adjustment. The height of this baseball pitching machine is adjustable, making it a great option for developing young athletes. It's perfect for practicing multiple batting angles and styles. 6 balls included. This batting machine includes 6 white aero strike balls. You should not use regulation baseballs or T-balls with this baseball machine, only use the balls included. The ball chute can hold up to 9 balls. Improve batting performance. Your child should ideally use a plastic baseball bat with this pitching machine. There's no better kids' baseball pitching machine to help them grow and improve as they practice. Note: kindly refer user manual and installation manual before use. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent customer service. We got this for my son for Christmas way back in September. When he opened it Christmas morning, it wasn't working. One of the parts that attached to the ball chute wasn't clinking on, therefore making the motor not work. He was super bummed, so I went online to return it, but our return window was over. So as a last-ditch effort I emailed customer care. They sent us a whole new machine. I'm very impressed. We'll buy Franklin Sports stuff from now on. Thanks.